Hey everyone. So this is a very, very exciting day. Here with Scott Mason.
Hi guys.
I'll explain why here in a second, but if you guys remember back in 2019, November of 2019, I posted on LinkedIn a public declaration that I was going to write a book, and I asked for volunteers, had a whole mind map up on my my whiteboard, and I'll post a link down to the original declaration below. But put out there, hey, if you want to be a part of this, let me know. And guys, look,
There it is, the fruit of
that's it.
2 years of labor.
2 years later, and a whole bunch of volunteers, and I had so many doubts of this was ever even going to happen, but had a ton of support, ton of people like really wanting to do this, and guys, this is not about the book. You can get the book. We're gonna tell you how to get it. You can go ahead and back order a print version. Digital is available right now, $95 for members. But this is more than the book. This is about community. This is about the support that we've given, that was given to me, that we do for the industry, that you guys do for the industry. And it's all about sharing that knowledge, and we just wanted to share it.
Yeah, one of the things that attracted this group together is being able to make positive change to the industry together. And that is really what united us around this cause. And it's really caused us all to grow closer together. And you guys can be part of that. How to help change the industry, there's a good start right there.
There's a start right there. Developing a code-compliant integrated fire protection and life safety testing and maintenance program. It's the longest title
It's
on
a short title.
It's a short title.
You'll
right?
remember it.
But really, so check it out, and don't forget, invest in your community. Ask for support when you need it. That's what we're all here for in this industry. Thanks, y'all.
See ya.